Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, October 4th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Remember, students and teachers are required to wear a mask at all times other than eating. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. Grades. Grades should be entered and up to date in Schoology. Refer to the grading parameters and make sure that you are on track with entering grades. We are closing in on now it's the last week of the quarter. So make sure also that you are syncing your grades so that they are showing up in Schoology, and then you can also see them in our Power Teacher Pro platform. Late duty this week is Miss Check, Miss Bolton, Miss Arch, Miss Guidry, and Miss Duberg. Important dates ahead. Today is our reading PLT. October 6th, our 5th grade Super Scholars will be in our classrooms during extended PE. They will be in working with some of Miss Overstreet's students and some of our kindergarten students. October 6th, we have the ACAP reflection forms due from the 2 through 5 teachers. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is a teacher work day, no school for students. October 11th, also our PLP are due. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. October 13th, we have an iReady representative here during extended PE. And also we will have our 5th grade Super Scholars out again. October 25th through the 29th, that's coming up on the horizon. That is the book fair. And also October 28th is Read for the Record. We also have Red Ribbon Week coming up at the end of this month. We have a lot of great activities happening in October. So buckle up. Students and teachers, lots ahead of us. This week, and actually for the whole month of October, October is Dyslexia Awareness Month, and this week is Dyslexia Awareness Week. And so Mobile County Schools have put together a little PowerPoint, and you in your classrooms will be going through some of the information that was sent out on the Friday Focus about Dyslexia Awareness Week. So we are bringing attention to dyslexia and what it looks like and how we can work with it and how we can better help our students that may have dyslexia. So today's slide looks something like this. And so you will click and hold Control to open up the video that is at the Dyslexia Overview. So then you in your classroom will talk about the video. It has a little overview about what dyslexia is, and then you can talk with your students about that. So that's immediately following announcements, then that's what you will be doing. Our word of the day is fraction. A fraction is a way to describe a part of a whole or a part of a group by using equal parts. So in this example, it says, what is 3/4? And it shows it shows 4 different ways you would represent 3/4. So there's a measurement model, so it's on like a number line. It went from 0 and hopped down to 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4, maybe like on a ruler. There's a set model, so there was a set of 4 tokens, and 3 out of the 4 are colored red, so that was 3/4. There's an area model where it has a figure, and 3/4 of the model is shaded. And then there's a bar diagram where there's a long bar, like a long skinny rectangle, and 3 out of the 4 sections of the bar are colored in. So there's lots of different ways to show how much a fraction is worth, how much its value is. But a fraction is representing a part of a whole. All right, we have kicked off our Be a Champion and Read campaign. All students are asked to read and test on 6 AR books. I have seen there are already some names up on the board, so that is exciting. When your parent signs the form, bring it back to the library and get your Alabama or Auburn bookmark and get your name put in the drawing for tickets to the Iron Bowl. Also, your name will go on Miss Smith's Alabama and Auburn bulletin board in the hallway to show support for your team. So I've seen a few names up there already, but we really want to get the whole entire bulletin board full of names of our students. So read those 6 books, take a test, bring your form back signed by your parent, and fill up that board. I know you can do it. We also have some AR superstars. These students have already met their quarter goal. Miss Hamlin's class, Lucas Hobroot, Miss Heischman's class, Caitlin Zine, and Miss Wolf's class, Antoinette Kyler and Naomi Howell. Now, this is the last week of the quarter, and we only have just a few people who have met their goal for the quarter. So, the race is on this week. Shepherd Scholars, I want to see lots more names coming up as have met their quarter goals. So, you can do it. I believe you have until this Friday. So get to reading and taking those tests and reach those goals. Teachers, please make sure your students are taking the AR test. When checking goals, the majority of students that request books are not taking the test. When you get a library book, you must take a test before returning it and requesting a new one. So students, when you get your library book, read it and take the test. Okay, you've already done all that work. You can do it. All right, shout out. This is a good one right here. Shout out to these students for recognizing a problem in the girls' bathroom and offering to help. They want a clean and beautiful school for all of us to enjoy. Isn't that awesome? So they recognized that something was going on in the bathroom. They did not like it. There were some girls not taking great care of our bathroom, and they decided that they wanted to do what they could to help out. So these lovely ladies are Ashlyn Cook Scott, Lindsay Hawkins, Milani Bedina, Anya Murphy, Autumn Dale. Those are from Miss Arch and Miss Barnes' class, okay? And these lovely ladies are recognized by Miss Linscomb. So shout out to them for wanting to have a beautiful, safe, nice campus, especially the bathroom. We like a lovely bathroom. That is a wonderful step that they came to us on their own and decided that they wanted it to be better and asked if they could help do some things to make it better. Fantastic young ladies. Shout out to them. We also have some positive office referrals. We have Arain Williams from Miss Cunningham's class. We have Jamil Chester. Good job, friends. I believe he is from maybe Miss Peralta. Then we have Natasha Jefferson from Miss Washam's class. We have Kennedy Brown from Miss Wolf's class. We have Kingston McAlmond from Miss Wolf's class. We have Nico Yulin Sanchez from Miss Wolf's class. We have Milani Medina. She was nominated by Miss Linscomb. Anya Murphy, also nominated by Miss Linscomb. We have Ashlyn Cook Scott and Lindsay Hawkins, nominated by Miss Wilson. And last but not least, we have Mr. Kyan LeBeau. So all of these students were sent to the principal's office for being fantastic people. So I hope we have lots more positive office referrals for lots more positive things going on in our school. I love to start our week off with happies. That's all for today's news, Shepherd Scholars. Have a marvelous Monday.